the idea of plane breaking is, I'll do it with one hand so as to not confuse. So you're moving along, and right now, I'll stop looking at you so it's really clear. I am using my side plane. I am doing a side plane underhand 4-petal anti-spin flower. Now I'm going to come down from the top, let it stop in front of me there. Then I'm going to use the horizontal plane. So what I did was I broke the plane. I broke from this horizontal, I broke from this vertical, and then I came down and I went across this horizontal. And now, watch in the back, I'm going to go back up into the side plane. So it's vertical again, and now it's going to be horizontal and vertical. And, oh yes, I'll do this one. Ooh, that's shitty. And then horizontal in a different direction. So the plane break is taking the poi at a 0 point. The 0 point, okay, you may not be familiar with the 0 point term. When you are doing, say, these stalls, and you come to that point before it collapses back down, right where it stops, that's the 0 point, where it has no more energy going, where the inertia has somehow stopped and gravity hasn't taken over. When you reach your 0 point, say with this 4-petal underhand anti-spin right there, you then change the force that's driving it from this vertical plane, and you yank it. All you do is just yank it right, and suddenly all you do is you have a nice horizontal thing. So the plane break, and then again, same thing there in the back, where you are breaking from one plane and moving into another. Typically, the planes are atomic. You might do something that's not atomic, but an atomic plane is where you have, say, okay, yes, I am working with my side plane again here, and now I'm going to do this with my front plane. So that is, say, an atomic flower. Now, the direction that you would call it might be questionable, because it's like how do you name it? What do you name it? It's tough in terms of how you name the directions, but it's definitely. I mean, you can see right here they're hitting. Although maybe you can't see the angle very well, maybe it's better from the side, I don't know. But they're forming a 90-degree angle. So the idea is that you're now breaking between the planes, creating these atomic shapes to get from one place to another. That was a lot of terminology.